It has always been an important segment of the economy because it employs nearly 40,000 people, which is about 20% of, from 15 to 20% of the workforce. But it is also a volatile industry because people go there when there's a lot of work and then they move to other jobs when there is less work. And they also move from company to company because of the nature of the job, and whichever company earns the contract, so they move to these people. So it is an important segment of the economy, but yet it is a volatile labor force, I would say. One of the biggest problems of concrete for tropical countries is that it absorbs a lot of heat during the day because we have a lot of sun, and therefore the sun heats whether the slab or the walls that are exposed, and it gets warmer and warmer, and it takes a long time to cool down. And at night, when you want to sleep, it's warm, and it radiates the warmth inside the house or the building or whatever. Mainly the house, because this is where you use the building at night. The other places, its offices are empty by that time of the day or of the evening. Is to find something that will put with the cement that will make the concrete an insulator rather than an absorber of heat. This, for tropical climate, will be the most innovative and efficient material they can invent for us.